Airbus Beluga XL. The Airbus Beluga XL is a game-changer in oversized cargo transportation, combining advanced engineering with exceptional efficiency. Built on the A330 platform, this massive aircraft features a fuselage measuring 63.1 meters in length, a wingspan of 60 meters, and a height of 17 meters. With an impressive cargo volume of 1,700 cubic meters, it is designed to transport oversized loads with ease. Its maximum takeoff weight reaches 235 tons, while its payload capacity stands at 53 tons, making an essential asset for carrying large aircraft components and bulky parts that standard cargo planes cannot accommodate. Equipped with two powerful turbofan engines, the Beluga XL delivers outstanding performance along with exceptional fuel efficiency. These engines ensure a balance of power and economy, allowing for long-haul operations while keeping operational costs manageable. The aircraft's cutting-edge design allows it to optimize aerodynamics, reducing drag and enhancing fuel efficiency without compromising cargo space. The Beluga XL was developed to replace and improve upon the original Beluga ST, offering increased payload capacity and upgraded performance. Its larger dimensions enable it to transport even the most cumbersome aerospace components, supporting Airbus's global production network. The extended cargo bay allows for the transportation of entire aircraft wings and fuselage sections, streamlining the assembly process for commercial and military aircraft. In addition to its sheer size and strength, the Beluga XL is also designed with efficiency and operational flexibility in mind. It can accommodate rapid loading and unloading procedures, ensuring minimal downtime between flights. The aircraft high-sec cockpit design allows cargo doors to open fully without interference, making the loading process smoother and more efficient. ATA Hybrid Aircraft. The ATA Hybrid Electric VTOL aircraft by Ascendance Flight Technologies is an advanced five-seater air taxi engineered for regional mobility. It boasts a canard wing design, 8 duct fans for vertical lift, and 2 horizontal propellers for smooth and efficient cruising. Capable of reaching 200 kilometers per hour with a 400 kilometers range, it operates on a hybrid system, using electric batteries for takeoff and fuel for cruise, delivering up to 2 hours of flight. Its rapid 10-minute turnaround time enhances efficiency, making it ideal for fast-paced urban travel. With a maximum takeoff weight of 2,000 kilograms, ATA significantly lowers CO2 emissions by 80% while being 4 times quieter than conventional helicopters. Combining sustainability, innovation, and performance, this aircraft is redefining the future of urban air mobility. Offering a quieter, greener, and more efficient alternative to traditional aviation, ATA represents a major step forward in sustainable Orb Nomad. The Orb Nomad is an innovative hybrid electric aircraft engineered to redefine accessible aviation. Its capability for vertical takeoff and landing removes the dependence on conventional runways, making operations feasible even in remote and hard-to-reach areas. Featuring a hybrid electric propulsion system, the Nomad integrates electric motors with a traditional combustion engine, ensuring greater efficiency while significantly reducing its environmental footprint. Designed with humanitarian applications in mind, Orb Aerospace is committed to addressing the needs of the 80% of the global population that remains underserved by conventional aviation infrastructure. This aircraft's groundbreaking design allows it to serve as a practical and efficient solution for cargo transportation, medical evacuations, and passenger travel across difficult terrains where traditional aircraft cannot operate effectively. Beyond its humanitarian potential, the Nomad is built for adaptability. Its ability to operate without extensive ground infrastructure makes it an ideal option for emergency response teams, search and rescue missions, and rapid medical deployments. Whether navigating through dense forests, mountainous regions, or isolated islands, the Nomad provides a reliable means of transportation in areas where mobility is often a challenge. With a focus on sustainability and cutting-edge technology, Orb Aerospace has positioned the Nomad at the forefront of the next generation of aircraft. By merging electric power with conventional propulsion, it not only enhances operational efficiency, but also paves the way for a more eco-friendly future in aviation. Parodynamics Transwing. The Parodynamics Transwing is an advanced long-range VTOL aircraft engineered for both military and commercial applications. Designed for single-pilot operation, this highly adaptable flying machine features a scalable capacity, accommodating an empty weight that ranges from 3 to 75,000 pounds. Its propulsion system consists of 4 to 6 propellers powered by electric motors, offering the choice between battery-powered and hybrid configurations to enhance efficiency and endurance. Constructed from a carbon fiber composite, the Transwing boasts a lightweight yet durable fuselage. It incorporates a canopy window and wings that can be scaled anywhere from 4 feet to 34 feet, allowing flexibility based on mission requirements. Its design includes an inverted angle vertical stabilizer that enhances stability and aerodynamics, along with retractable wheeled landing gear to facilitate smooth ground operations. With a focus on safety, the aircraft employs distributed propulsion redundancy, ensuring continued operation even in the event of partial system failure. One of the Transwing's standout features is its unique folding wing mechanism, which allows for a seamless transition between vertical takeoff and long-range cruising. This innovative design optimizes both space and efficiency, making it an excellent solution for missions requiring extended flight durations. Unlike conventional VTOL aircraft, which often face aerodynamic limitations, the Transwing's wing transformation enhances fuel efficiency and extends operational range, making it suitable for various mission profiles. In military applications, the Transwing is well suited for reconnaissance, surveillance, and cargo transport. Its ability to take off and land vertically in confined spaces provides a tactical advantage, allowing deployment in remote or inaccessible locations. Additionally, its quiet electric propulsion system, Supernal S-A2. The Supernal S-A2 is a visionary electric air taxi created to redefine urban mobility in the modern world. Designed to accommodate 1 pilot and 4 passengers, this zero-emission aircraft offers an eco-friendly solution for high-speed city commuting. It can cruise at a speed of 200 kilometers per hour and boasts an impressive range of 120 kilometers, making it suitable for both short and mid-range urban journeys. The S-A2 has a payload capacity of up to 400 kilograms, allowing it to efficiently transport both passengers and light cargo. Powering this innovative aircraft are 8 electric motors that drive lightweight composite propellers, ensuring a quiet, smooth, and efficient ride. The aircraft's airframe is constructed from carbon composite materials, providing both durability and reduced weight. The Supernal S-A2 has a 14-meter wingspan, a 12-meter length, and a 4.2-meter height, striking a balance between compactness and stability during flight. Safety and efficiency are paramount in the design of the S-A2. It is equipped with retractable tricycle landing gear that helps reduce drag during flight, while ensuring smooth takeoffs and landings. Advanced digital flight control systems allow for precise maneuverability and contribute to the aircraft's overall reliability. These features work in harmony to deliver a flight experience that prioritizes safety, ease of use, and optimal performance. The Supernal S-A2 is built for agile performance in urban environments, offering a nimble, responsive flight experience that can easily navigate through city airspace. It is designed to operate with minimal noise, making it ideal for densely populated areas where noise pollution is a concern. The aircraft quiet operation, combined with its zero-emission powertrain, sets a new standard for sustainable, high-speed air travel. This electric air taxi offers a glimpse into the future of commuting, where urban mobility will be more environmentally friendly, faster, and more efficient. By offering a clean and quiet alternative to traditional modes of transport, the Supernal S-A2 is paving the way for the future of air travel. Its revolutionary design and advanced technology are poised to redefine the standards of what modern urban transportation can achieve. Autoflight's Prosperity Eye. The Autoflight Prosperity Eye is a state-of-the-art electric vehicle that is redefining urban and regional air mobility. Designed to accommodate 1 pilot and 4 passengers, this revolutionary aircraft can reach a cruising speed of 250 kilometers per hour and cover a range of 250 kilometers, all while carrying a payload of 500 kilograms. Its sleek composite airframe spans 12 meters in length, 10 meters in wingspan, and 3.5 meters in height, providing an ideal balance of size and efficiency for both short and medium-range travel. The Prosperity Eye is powered by 6 advanced electric duct fans, delivering distributed propulsion for maximum stability and control during flight. These fans contribute to its smooth operation, while also providing the necessary thrust for vertical takeoff and landing, making it highly versatile for urban environments. The aircraft is equipped with retractable tricycle landing gear, which reduces drag and improves fuel efficiency when in flight. Additionally, the innovative fly-by-wire system ensures precise and responsive control, making the Prosperity Eye easy to maneuver in a variety of settings. With zero-emission capabilities, the Prosperity Eye represents a significant step forward in sustainable aviation. Its near-silent operation makes it ideal for urban air mobility, minimizing noise pollution in densely populated areas. This quiet, eco-friendly design positions the Prosperity Eye as a leader in the future of air travel, offering a cleaner and more efficient alternative to traditional forms of transportation. Safety and efficiency are paramount in the design of the Prosperity Eye. The aircraft is equipped with cutting-edge digital avionics, providing advanced navigation, communication, and control systems that ensure unparalleled safety. These systems are designed to work seamlessly with the aircraft propulsion and flight control systems, enhancing overall reliability. Whether used for passenger transport or cargo, the Prosperity Eye offers both performance and peace of mind. In terms of efficiency, the Prosperity Eye's advanced electric propulsion system reduces operational costs while also promoting sustainability. By using electric power instead of fossil fuels, it reduces carbon emissions, making it a key player in the transition to greener, more sustainable air travel.